Straighten the screen's flex cable by hand. Then place it on the laser machine. The laser won't damage the screen. It's completely safe. Just position it like this, the cable stays intact. After it's done, press the start button. It processes the entire surface. Over 10 times and it still covers the full area. Right. This is the post-processing result. See, the adhesive on the screen is also cured. Now, since the glass is cracked, we'll apply UV adhesive. Next, apply a protective film. Place it into the UV light. Typically, 10 seconds is sufficient. Remove the bracket here, as it's damaged. After removing the bracket, clean the adhesive residues on both sides. Use diamond wire to separate the broken cover. Got it. Remove the remaining brackets. Use a roller to clear leftover adhesive. Yes, exactly. Install the new cover. You've got residue everywhere. Clean it thoroughly. Right. Place it in the laminator for bonding. You're good to go. Let me demonstrate the final step. Alright, During curing, place the screen in a custom tray to prevent damage. This ensures safe processing. Perfect. Set it for 5 minutes, at 45 degrees Celsius. Temperature confirmed. 0 bubbles achieved. Apply edge adhesive now. Earlier was a thin layer, exactly. After application, cure in the pressure mold. Just 1 minute needed. Total material cost, $20. Yes, removing it now, extracting the component carefully. Proceeding to the final test. Perfect.